keycard namin, no? So yan, this is our room, no, dito sa La Carmela de Boracay, mga Frenny, no? Again, yan, meron kayong coffee table, no, where you can eat or drink. And then, ayan, may pa-complimentary silang tea and coffee. Water heater if you need some hot water, pitcher, tsaka drinking plastic cup. Yan. If you need purified water, lapas lang kayo sa my hallway. Then may TV set naman sila, o TV. You can watch, no, kung nag-stay lang kayo dito. Set natin where you can put your thing. Then may pa-safety deposit box sila pag kailangan nyo taguan ng yung mga kayamanan. Ayan, may mini fridge sila. Pwedeng yung store dyan, itong bathroom nila. Spacious naman siya. Walang problema sa tubig kasi malakas naman at may hot and cold water at your convenience. So, no, upon arrival, everything is clean.